Okay, so neon thinking green. Here you go. You can dab it wherever you want. You can dab it like vertical, horizontals. You can do any designs you want. It's super bright.
I love the neon.
Look at that. That's it.
When I'm in Florida, Nancy's gonna try. We're gonna try a fun new neon design.
Oh yes.
I sent her a picture. I'm like, we have to see if we can do this. It's so cool. It's done in something else, but we want to see if we can make it simpler with Fusion ink.
No trick or treating. That's CC said. That's good though. No Halloween. Halloween inside the house. Your trick or treat. Get your candies home and get the buckets and then put it outside and then the kids going out and then trick or treat and get it and come back inside. That's what I think it's gonna be. So I'm using going. Next one is honesty. I'm opening already, so I didn't wanna spill it.
Can you go like under and
Number 4.
My nail whisperer tonight is my dog let her in.
Stitches. Can you make sure you shake it well? I'm gonna shake it too. Did I miss Miranda live in earlier?
Oh, I don't know. I was at home. I got off work and had to do some shopping. We just got back a little bit ago.
So I'm gonna do this and see how it's gonna be combined together.
Mm-hmm. Deb says hi, Marcus. He says hi.
Tyler too. Tyler there too.
Tyler's not here tonight.
Oh, Marcus.
He's with his mom. Marcus is always here with me.
Okay. So let it set. And I need is only a crystal clear.
Oh, you want a treat?
Piece of
That's good, CC.
paper.
Yeah, they closed the clinics and doctors here last time, and you couldn't go anywhere. It was urgent care. It was terrible.
They closed?
Oh, Sharenda said she wasn't live.
Oh, okay. But Sharenda get this really cute nails. Love the fusioning. What color are you using, Sharenda? It's just so stunning.
Oh, I seen that post.
She's gotten really cool.
She's loving those neons now. She wasn't sure at first.
I know, right, Sharenda?
Like,
at first, you're like...
These are the bomb. Look at the color on them. They're so freaking amazing. I'm so jealous. But you know what, you guys? When I come back, I'm going to have so much new stuff.
Oh. She's like, I'm packing. I'm bringing my 2 suitcase empty.
I got to bring 2 29-inch suitcases. I'm just going to wear... You've got a laundry. I don't need any clothes. I'll wear the clothes I have in 2 empty suitcases.
Like, she said that, okay, so I leave all my clothes here. Can you ship it to me when I get home? That's how we're always doing it to each other like that. So they say, can you ship it? Can you take it home and ship it to me?
Or we see each other a week later and I'm like, I'll bring it to you next week.
Yeah. That's
Not anymore, though. I haven't seen you since February.
I know.
Kenny, you're all done.
Very soon. You'll see me next week.
I know.
So before you dip it back into the 2 bottles, just make sure you wipe up your brush. You see that how residues here, the pigment, so then your crystal clear will not be contaminated and collecting all different pigment. That's why a lot of questions still asking, why is my fusioning, it doesn't look really crisp look, and it's why it looks so bleeding, like don't looks precise to you. And so I think I'm good with that. You can add more, you can draw it however you would like. And let me see.
Deb says, you got a purse, Vicky, use it. I bring a backpack.
she's not get a purse.
Underneath there. This isn't our first time traveling. I'm good at packing.
All right. So I'm thinking of this.
All done. Go lay down. Go lay down.
And the baby milk jars.
Ooh, those green ones will be pretty.
Which one?
I like the green baby mixture. It's pretty.
Look at this. This baby mixture. I scratch it, but the new collection.
And I've got mine all stored in one of my Glitz boxes. It works perfect.
Oh, and I have this one as well. I want this.
Ooh, what is that one? Show that one again. What was that?
This one is in the new collections.
See, she has all the stuff that we can't
green.
even work with.
Leaf green. That's the name of it.
Nice. Hey, Marcus is watching our live now too. Hi, Marcus.
Hey, Marcus.
I've got these guys. I got the boys in my neighborhood. They can design some pretty good nails.
Look. I'm doing
Ooh,
this.
that's beautiful.
Should I do this one?
It's like a Cardi B.
Look it out.
Yes? Okay. You said I should do it. Different shapes. Alright, so I am going to using condensed glue gels. If you want to be using your transfer foil, you can. Making some veins on this one, absolutely, you can. But I want it using as a background. If any of you have a question for is brand ambassador contest, this is the best time to answer anything. So, okay, questions is can we using different products on the contest, on Glitz brand ambassador contests? Because we have all different requires for like 40, you can use 40 gels to create a flat 3D. You can do 5D gel to create flat 3Ds or a fantasy 3D flowers. Also, you can using your liquid and powder acrylic as well.
Nice.
You transfer foils for the background. You can use fusioning for the background. You don't have to be limits of what you're using. If we're missing any of yours questions on the DM, we have so many. If we're missing it, don't hesitate to like ask us again.
Yeah, there's lots of requirements. I mean, there's blooming gel on there. I don't remember, but a lot of those are your backgrounds.
Yep.
So we're
you
just, you know, by putting that in there, we actually help you to give you ideas for your background instead of just having a plain painted nail.
Yeah.
So just put your backgrounds down first and then design after that.
Right there. I'm thinking of some big one. I'm just getting so many wax on my big crystal right there. So I'm gonna wipe it off later. I'm not worried about it at all.
Yeah.
Right in the centerpiece.
It's on 10 fingers, isn't it, Nancy?
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be on
Yeah,
the
10
whole
fingers.
set. I'm gonna make this one, it's really cute. And it's gonna glow in the dark. I'm thinking of orange. Should we?
Yeah, it'll look good together. Yeah.
Orange?
No, green is fine.
Yeah, because you got the honesty on there. It'll go well with it.
Yeah. Well, this is glow in the dark. I like that. Okay, let me move this instead of... I just pour in my tray so I can get it better. So I can't see in the comments, so can you keep up the comments one?
Yep. Nope, I'm still doing it. We're good.
So-
Everybody's like watching you right now, so they're quiet.
So if Mika, I'm waiting for your 11 years. She said she's gonna make me one, so... I just go to the state fair just for that. What is that? They have Oreos, what is that?
it deep fried?
Yes, it's so good. Just like, I just go for it. But she
Oh my
said,
God.
don't go to the state fair, Mika, right? She's tell me to stay home, be good. I'm gonna listen to you. And Vicky can
She
cook
never
them.
listens to me. She never listens to me. She's always like, Vicky, do this. Vicky. That's all I hear.
That's
I don't think I've ever had a deep fried Oreo.
It's good though.
I don't think I've ever had
But you
one.
have to eat it right there.
Yeah, it would be gross afterwards.
Because it's gonna be get soggy.
I love those. The cuticle ring, I don't know what you call them, but those half rounds, I just love those. Because you can cut them. You can use your wire cutter.
Yeah.
You know, the crystal clipper. You can cut them to whatever length you need. If it's too long, just cut a little bit off.
I'm using everything from Baby Mitchell right now. It's cool though.
I know, that looks amazing. See, you should start sending your pictures into Cardi B, and you could be her nail tag. You wouldn't have to do glitz anymore. You just do Cardi B's nail tag.
Oh no! So what we're gonna
I'll be your
do?
assistant.
So what we're gonna do with all of you? Who's gonna do stream? Are you gonna do stream for everyone?
Oh, every day.
No, never have Cardi B flying over. Be your model.
Oh.
I'll have to have my travel husband, though. Sorry, can't have him.
That'd be awesome to get to do her nails in one of these days.
Eddie K says that the Oreos will change your life.
Yeah. I was like,
Oh my goodness, I would have COVID 25 instead of COVID 20.
no, probably wouldn't have a COVID-20 now this year.
I already got COVID 20.
It is already?
That was from stay at home. No, that's how many pounds I put on. I said if I eat those Oreos, I'll have COVID 25.
Oh my goodness.
Marcus.
I thought you just went tap, tap, tap on the glass.
I don't know what I do.
So I don't even have to use any of like beads at all. Should I put any beads? You want to see some beads or no? I'm using it from my Baby meat jar right
Maybe
here.
just a couple on the front of those, the front two. Because you have some in the back. So just like next to the two green ones. I like it. I can tell you just what to do. When I'm there, I have to type.
Look. Oh. What are you talking about? What, fun beads? What is that? So how much would you charge for this one though?
A lot.
Oh my gosh, that one is a big crystal. But do you see how that crystal's not moving? It's condensed blue gel. And if you find that your crystals are floating, see how hers stays in place, it doesn't move at all. She has lots of time to work. If your crystal does float, then you put on too much of the no wipe top coat. If you put it on too heavy because that self-levels, then your crystal will float around. But that now right there, 25 to 30.
Yeah, I think it's about right. So, and then...
Because you've got background and then you have all the crystals and it's a lot of detail work. So I would probably, in my salon, I'd probably charge 30.
So if you are concerned that how you're able to consult with your clients and how you're able to price them, watch our IGTV for Now TikToks last week. Me and Vicky will break down every detail of how you charge and how much should you charge.
So good.
And it's really detailed there for you. So hope it helped.
Yes, and it glows. You'll have to show us in the lamp a little bit afterwards so we can see it glow.
Yes, I will.
Especially because you have the neon in the background, the neon fusion ink.
Yes. Right, so happy with this. Let's see. I think I want one more.
Of course you do. Where would you put one more?
Right there.
Oh, see, that's the bigger balls. I love those. Those aren't the big ones. It's the medium one, but those, I love those.
This one is so bomb.
It's so good for offsetting the big crystals.
Look like I just ignore the whole background, but because of the background mix is so different.
Yeah, if it was just on a plain nail, you still see the background. You don't see much of the detail, but you still see it. And then when you're in black light, it's gonna glow, so it's gonna look freaking awesome. And when the sun hits that big crystal, just tell your clients you're not responsible. Don't look at it while you're driving. They do. They're driving and they put their fingers out and they're like, "Oh my gosh, it's so pretty."
And then they nail feed you and then they tag you,
like,
you
I
know.
am not responsible for any accident because you were looking at your fingernail.
I said, nope.